Now see this problem. A block of mass m is in contact with a truck. Earlier, the block is in horizontal. It is contact with the surface now. It is a vertical surface, it is in contact. If mu is a coefficient of friction between the block and the truck, then find the acceleration with which the truck should travel so that the block does not fall. With what acceleration it has to move so that it will be at rest only. Now let's see what are the forces acting on the block first. Now here the forces acting on the block, first one, weight of this block is downward direction, and where is the normal force? Normal is between the contact. Where is the contact between them? So this block and this is surface na. So the normal is here. Normal. So wherever we have contact between the two bodies, then we have a normal reaction. Right. So this body contact with this wall now. So the normal reaction is here. Right. Now you tell me now here. And where is the frictional force, you tell me. And so this is in non-inertial frame now. If it is non-inertial frame, what happen, you tell me now. If it is non-inertial frame, what happens? Pseudo force will act now. The vehicle moving the right side. So pseudo force will act which direction? Left side, the pseudo force will act. And now here, which direction the body has to can be able to fall? Downward direction. So friction is which direction? Upward direction. Will opposes the motion of a body. So this is. Now you tell me now. Here they are saying that the body should not fall down. For that means what? Tell me now here. Upward force has to balance it by the downward force. That means what should be now here? The friction equal to mg. Then the block should not fall down now. And frictional force. And what is the frictional force, you tell me now here? Yes, here friction which is equal to mu into n. Mu into n equal to what, you tell me now here? Mg. Right. What the n is a normal reaction. How much the normal reaction in this case? That is Fp. Fp is what? Pseudo force. How much the pseudo force, you tell me? M into A. Now, so that is mu n. So n value we have now. How much the n value? That is m into A, which is equal to what? Tell me now. M into G. So from this m will get cancelled. So what I will get this A value? Tell me now here. That is G by mu. This is the acceleration of the block. Acceleration of the truck.